chapter 3:12 to 13. So as those who have been chosen of God, holy and beloved, put on a heart of compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience, bearing with one another and forgiving each other. Whoever has a complaint against anyone, just as the Lord forgave you, so must you do also. In addition to all these things, put on love, which is the perfect bond of unity. All together, sabay-sabay po tayo. We are a community imbued with faithfulness, humility, integrity, and responsibility in all we do.